Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best battery winch is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who loves off-roading, recovery, or even just needs a reliable way to move heavy objects. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of battery-powered winches, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one to fit your needs and budget. Get ready to discover the power and convenience of these incredible machines. Number 5. Warn Drill Winch, 750 pounds portable pulling winch. This is the Warn Drill Winch, a lightweight and portable pulling solution. It's designed for easy transport and use in various situations. This winch is perfect for those needing a reliable pulling tool on the go. With a 750 pounds pulling capacity, it's suitable for light-duty tasks. It provides enough strength for a variety of uses, making it a versatile tool. You can rely on it for your pulling needs. It features a 40-foot synthetic rope, which is both durable and lightweight. This rope reduces the overall weight while maintaining excellent performance. The synthetic rope ensures reliability in every use. The free spool clutch simplifies the setup process. It allows for quick and hassle-free rigging, making operation more efficient. This feature saves time and effort during use. It operates with any standard portable drill, offering ultimate portability and convenience. Simply attach your drill, and it's ready to go. This makes it incredibly easy to use anywhere. It includes an integrated hose fair lead and rigging hooks for smooth operation. The front and rear rigging hooks ensure secure connections. This design enhances both safety and efficiency. What we like. This winch's drill-powered operation makes it incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a portable solution that you can use with your existing tools, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone who needs a winch for light-duty tasks, like trailer or ATV recovery, without the bulk of a larger unit. What people say. The winch has a good design. The winch works well. It has a good function. Number 4. Warn PullzAll 885005 Cordless Electric Winch. This is the Warn PullzAll 885005, a cordless electric winch. It's designed to give you the power you need, wherever you are. It's perfect for those tough jobs in remote locations. This winch can lift or pull up to 1,000 pounds. That's a lot of muscle in a compact package. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease. The 24-volt cordless design means you're not tied down. Take it to the field, the job site, or anywhere you need pulling power. It provides the flexibility you need. It comes with 2 rechargeable battery packs and a charger. This ensures you have the power you need when you need it. It also includes 15 feet of durable wire rope. The LED load indicator keeps you informed. This feature helps you monitor the load and ensures safe operation. It's a reliable tool for any task. The winch features a line diameter of 0.219 inches. This robust construction ensures durability and reliability. It's built to withstand demanding conditions. What we like. This cordless winch offers the ultimate in portability. If you need a winch for remote locations or situations where power outlets are unavailable, it's a lifesaver. It's perfect for anyone who needs reliable pulling power in the field, with the convenience of a cordless design and the assurance of having spare batteries. What people say. Works well, better than expected. The portability of it and the rechargeable batteries make this a must-have if you don't want a permanently mounted winch or if you have multiple vehicles. The winch is strong and versatile. Number 3. NEWTRY 3-in-1 Electric Hoist Winch 1,100 pounds. This electric hoist offers 3 control options: manual, wireless remote, and cable control. The cable control extends up to 22.6 feet, and the remote control has a range of 60 m, ensuring safe operation from a distance. Installation is simple, using either the upper hook or the included fixed bracket. The hoist can be used vertically or horizontally, providing flexibility for various lifting needs. With a powerful 1500W motor, it lifts at 16-foot min, with a maximum height of 82 feet. The package includes a lifting strap and fixing bracket to help secure the hoist and the items being lifted. The hooks rotate 360 degrees and feature a safety buckle to prevent drops. It also includes overload protection and a limit switch, ensuring safety by automatically stopping when limits are reached. This hoist is perfect for lifting items like bicycles, kayaks, or even for maintenance tasks. It's a great solution for storage, maintenance, and small construction projects, making it a versatile tool for various needs. What we like. This winch offers multiple control options for maximum flexibility. If you need a winch for various lifting tasks, from the garage to the attic, it's a great choice. The wireless remote adds convenience and safety, making it ideal for a wide range of lifting needs. What people say. The winch is very easy to use. The winch is well built and sturdy. The remote control is very convenient. Number 2. X-Bull Winch 10,000 lb Electric Winch Kit. This winch features a new generation of wireless remote control. It has an IP67 waterproof grade, allowing you to operate it accurately from a distance, no matter the terrain or weather. It offers both wired and wireless control options, up to 35 meters. The 10,000 pounds winch is powered by a robust 4.5 kilowatts 5.6 horsepower output series wound motor. The new solenoid design enhances heat insulation and stability, preventing potential damage. The clutch system is also reinforced for increased durability. For positive load control, it includes a power-in and power-out motor. This ensures smooth operation within its rated current, prioritizing both the winch's safety and yours. A 3-stage, 5.6 HP series wound motor with a 2:18:1 planetary gear ratio is included. The winch incorporates a modern and effective 3-planetary gear system. It also features a free spooling clutch, delivering strong traction under load and higher linear speed. This makes it an invaluable travel companion. The winch includes a synthetic rope that measures 3/8 x 85 feet. The installation dimensions are, length x width x height, 20.8 x 6.5 by 10.24, with a mounting bolt type of 10.00 plus or minus 0.015 by 4.50 plus or minus 0.010. What we like. This winch boasts a high load capacity and a robust waterproof design. If you need a winch for heavy-duty recovery or off-road adventures, it's built to handle tough conditions. Its wireless remote and powerful motor make it a reliable companion for any challenging recovery situation. What people say. The winch has a good design. The winch works as advertised. It has a lot of power. Number 1. Portable Winch PCW 3000, Honda GX35 engine, 1,600 pounds pulling force. This gas-powered winch is equipped with a Honda GX35 engine, delivering a robust 1,600 pounds of pulling force. Its compact design is perfect for remote and demanding jobs, providing serious hauling strength. You can boost its capacity up to 8,000 pounds by pairing it with a block and tackle system. This allows you to move massive loads with less effort while maintaining control and safety. The capstan drum design allows it to maintain steady pulling speed and power over any rope length. This feature enables long-distance hauls without the need to stop and reset. It's built for real work in harsh conditions, such as logging and land clearing. With the right accessories, it becomes your go-to tool for demanding pulls anywhere. With 20 years of experience, we lead the world in powerful, portable, and easy-to-use capstan winches. It helps you tackle heavy, difficult tasks with ease and reliability. What we like. This gas-powered winch provides serious pulling power and the ability to use unlimited rope length. If you like tackling demanding jobs in remote locations, this is the tool for you. It's perfect for logging, land clearing, or any task that requires sustained pulling force over long distances. What people say. The winch has a good design. The winch works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.